Hello, this is Soren Jorgensen, and on behalf of myself, John Merrick, and the entire I'm Rough Builders team, I would like to welcome you to this demo of Bloxy. Now, Bloxy is a drag and drop, easy site builder that eliminates all the technobabble and allows you to instantly publish gorgeous, fully responsive, profit-pulling sites in minutes. Now, every single day, your websites are judged in a ruthless online beauty contest. On average, it takes 2 seconds for people to decide whether they want to stay on your site, read your content, and your offer. If your site is not up to scratch, it doesn't matter if you have Pulitzer Prize worthy content and an offer that could sell sand to Bedouins, you still will not make any sales. And the internet is evolving, and building websites and landing pages that grabs people's attention is getting more and more complicated every day. And most of us turn to site building software to help us, but they usually come with 3 big problems. They're expensive, usually with big monthly payments, and they're usually also very complicated to use, and they're certainly not flexible. And we were as frustrated by this as I'm sure you are. So we set out to build an alternative that was affordable, flexible, and easy to use. And the result is Bloxy, the next generation site builder. And now I'm extremely proud to be able to take you inside and show you exactly how Bloxy works and what it can do for you. And here we are inside the Bloxy software, and I'm going to quickly show you how it all works, what you can do in here, and what Bloxy can do for you. First thing here, we're on the main dashboard, and this is where all your saved sites will show up. Now I only have one here, so let's go ahead and create another site. But first, I just want to show you the autoresponder integration. As you can see here, you can hook up your Bloxy account with your Aweber through API with GetResponse, which I've also done. It works with MailChimp API, Constant Contact, Campaign Monitor, Vertical Response, and GoToWebinar. So if we go back to sites here, I can click on Create a New Site, and this will load up all the templates here, which happened here. Now, as it says on the site, when you join Bloxy today, you get 10 templates, but you can choose from all of our templates, and then you unlock the 10 that you want. Now, on top of the 10 templates, you also get all the blocks that you can add to these templates, or you can use to build sites from scratch. So if you want a template, it's as easy as clicking unlock and confirming, and then this template is unlocked. So I'm gonna use this one here and set this as template, and to show you how this works. So this is loading up here, and I can now start editing everything in here. The first thing we have here in the radio button is blocks, and show you here, this is a block, this is a block. So for example, I can delete this entire block here, or I can reset it if I've changed it. I can even go into the source file and manually edit it in HTML if I so desire. So for example, if I want to remove this block, it's as easy as clicking this button and confirming, and then that is gone, everything else moves up. Everything within the blocks, all the content can be edited too. You can simply click on the content, write new text here, and update the content. And that can be done for all text in all blocks. And finally, the details inside each block can also be changed. So I can click on the text here, I can change the font size, the alignment, whether it should be bold, italic, underlined, which font it should use, and also over here which color it should be, and the background color for it, and so on. And you can do that for all text as well. You can also click on the background here, and you can change this to an image from an image library, or to a different background color. For example, you can try to apply change to this one. Doesn't look quite as nice as the other one. Nevertheless, you can change the background color to anything you want. And finally, the image here can also be changed, the alignment, and so on, and also the actual image, and that you can do from your image library, where you can upload any image you want. And there's also some extra images in your library. So that is basically how it works when you edit a template. Now, as I said, you also get all the blocks, and you can add these in as well. And they're over here in the menu here. For example, we have pricing tables, which we have quite a few of, and you get access to all of these. So if I wanted to add, let's say, this pricing table here, all you have to do is simply drag it over to your page, and it gets added in here. And then I can proceed to edit this as I want to, just as I would edit any other block. And I can put in a new divider here before, edit the text. I can put in a testimonial block, so you can drag in here, which I can also edit, including images and the text and all that. So you can edit and add to the templates as much as you want. I'm just going to click Save Pending Changes here, and then we're going to go back out to my sites, and I'm going to create a new site. But this time I'm going to show you how to do this with a blank site. So you can also choose to start with a blank site, and that loads up here. And then what you do is you take whatever you want from all the blocks out here and start adding that in. So I can take a header here, for example this one, and I can put in a opt-in form or a contact form, in this case an opt-in form. Let's put that in here. Now these two don't match really, but I'm just showing you how this all works. So you could completely build a website from scratch. Now what I want to show you with the opt-in form here is that when you click on the opt-in form to edit the details, you can then hook it up to your autoresponder, for example my Aweber, and choose which list you want it to go to. And now everyone who opts in here will automatically go to this Aweber list that I've configured here. You can also set the redirect link when people opt in, and so on. And when you want to publish your site that you built, you can simply click the export link out here that will download a copy of the page to your computer, which you can then further edit and upload manually. Or in settings here, you can set your FTP details for this particular site, and once you've done that, all you have to do is click the publish button and the site will automatically go live. Up here you also see these icons for a desktop computer, a laptop, a tablet, and a mobile smartphone, and this is used for you to get a visual of the responsiveness of the site you're building. Now all the templates, all the blocks in Bloxy are fully responsive. So if I click this button here, you'll see what this would look like on a smaller laptop. Click this one, this is what it would look like on a tablet, and click this, and then we go down to a smartphone. So everything is responsive. Some of the templates and blocks, of course, look better on mobile than others, and that's why you have the previews. So you can also change your text and whatnot to get the fully optimized mobile experience. But everything is responsive in here, and you have this handy preview so that you can build your stuff to be the best it can be on mobile. So this was a quick overview of Bloxy. Back out here on my sites, and I just wanted to reiterate that you can use Bloxy to build as many sites as you want. There are absolutely no limits in here. You can build thousands of sites with it if you so desire. And with all the different blocks you get, there are many different combinations you can do, and of course you can customize them to create even more different combinations and sites. Now after seeing that, I'm sure that you're thinking, that looks awesome, but what is it going to cost me? The answer is much less than you'd think. But before we get to that, let us recap exactly what Bloxy is all about. Bloxy is affordable, there are no recurring payments, and you get free lifetime updates. And you can use the software to build unlimited sites, and you can even sell and flip those sites for profits. Bloxy is also flexible. You get 10 complete templates of your choice, and you get access to all the blocks inside Bloxy to help you create exactly what you need to do, and that means you can build squeeze pages, webinar pages, affiliate pages, full websites, and much, much more. Bloxy is also very easy to use. Everything is drag and drop simple, and when you want to edit something in a template or in anything you're doing in there, you simply point and click on it and edit whatever it is you want to do. And if there's something you don't know how to do in there, we have full video tutorials for every aspect of using Bloxy. Bloxy is responsive, all your sites are mobile ready and will look great on all devices. And you have previews that shows you responsive designs as you build. Bloxy also builds your list, and there's full API integration with Aweber, GetResponse, Constant Contact, MailChimp, Vertical Response, Campaign Monitor, and also GoToWebinar. So you can build some really cool squeeze pages in there and have all the leads instantly and automatically added to your autoresponder of choice. You can also publish your Bloxy sites with one click. Automatically have it uploaded via FTP to your site. Just put your details in there. Or you can export the sites you build, download a zip file, and then where you can further customize them outside of Bloxy if you should so desire. So that adds to the ease of it and also to the flexibility. Now, you may be forgiven for thinking that software this powerful will cost you an arm and a leg. But for a limited time only, you can get your hands on the brand new Bloxy Site Builder at the special low early bird price. We will raise the price, and we may start charging a monthly fee for Bloxy. So this may be your only chance to get lifetime unlimited access with free updates for one single payment. But as I said, this early bird special is very time limited. The price will go up, so take action today and click the button below to secure unlimited access to Bloxy before the price goes up.